towards your living area. So this is the part of your living area. So this is the kitchen area. As mentioned in the introduction part, that the kitchen. Now once you enter your master bedroom, you can check out the Ramki Estate is here with its blockbuster home fest at Ramki Luminar located in Dardanag, Mangala. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today I'm here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing just in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of Ramki Lumina. And about their land parcel is just over here where the construction work is going on. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 7 acres of land parcel with 6 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 14 floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the external amenities. So this project provides you 35 plus luxurious amenities like of kids play area, garden area, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, jogging track, clubhouse and many more. Now about the location part. So this project is exactly located on Dardanag Mangala Road in Bangalore. So let me show you the Dardanag Mangala Road. This is the Dardanag Mangala Road and this side will take you towards Rayasandra. And on the opposite side will take you towards the Hosa Road. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Rayasandra Lake in 1.5 kilometers. Electronic City flyover is 1.6 kilometers. Metro Cash and Carry is 2.9 kilometers. D-Mart is 4 kilometers away. And Kaveri Hospital is 4.3 kilometers away from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK 3D with 1533 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this. So once you enter from the main entrance and here is the lobby space for your privacy. And now from this privacy lobby area, you can enter towards your living area. So this is the part of your living area where you can set your sofa set and TV unit as well. And over here, you can set your dining area because with easy access is the kitchen area over here. So first, let me show you the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. As mentioned in the introduction part that the kitchen will be complimentary within this offer. So you can check out what you see is what you get over here with the cabinets, the chimney, the hob, the cabinets with the platforms, and this kitchen comes with a window and the utility area as well with anti-skid tiles. Now let's move further. So with the dining area, they are providing you with a beautiful balcony. So this balcony will be 3-side covered, anti-skid tiles and with iron railing as well. So now as mentioned, this will be the living area. Now let's move towards your bedroom space. This unit is in butterfly concept. Your one bedroom is on this side and other bedroom on the other side of the house. So let me show you your bedroom number 1. So your guest bedroom is here. So this is your bedroom number 1 with a spacious one. Attached washroom. And here is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the other 2 bedrooms. So this is the master bedroom, but before that we'll be entering towards your bedroom number 2. So this is the entrance towards your bedroom number 2. That means your kids' bedroom. So you can set your wardrobe here, your TV unit, your study table, your bed. And the plus point for this bedroom is the attached balcony. Here is the attached balcony with anti-skid tiles and iron drilling. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me tell you what all features Housey provide you. Also, Housey is here with the actual location tool, with the sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now, before moving to master bedroom, here is the common washroom. So this is the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now once you enter your master bedroom, you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring. And here is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about the washroom. So this is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Ramki Estates project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the details of the project is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.